Hello friends, welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. The Amazon Prime Day sale is here. It is on 26th and 27th of July 2021. In order to make the most of the discounts which is provided in the Prime Day sale, I am going to provide you some tips which you can follow to make the most out of it. When I say most out of it, to get maximum savings. Before buying anything on the Prime Day sale, I suggest you make a list of all the items which you require or which you need, not something which you fancy or something which you aspire for. It should not be something which you will not use it in the next 5 or 6 months. So, once your list is ready, next step is to research and finalize the item which you intend to buy in the Amazon site. Third step is to wishlist them. Once you finalize based on the reviews or feedback of other customers who have already purchased this product, you wishlist the ones which you intend to buy. Note the price at which you see currently in the wish list. The next step would be wait for the Prime Day. On Prime Day, check the price and see if it is the same as it was before the Prime Day or it has reduced, meaning is there any further discount on the same. If there is further discount, then go ahead and buy. If there is no discount, wait for the Prime Day sale to end and then check the price. If there is no discount and still you need the product, you may go ahead and buy them. If not, think or rethink if you can postpone the buying of this product for a few more days to check if there is any further discount available. Alternatively, you can check other online platforms like Flipkart to see if you are getting a better discount on the same. This way, you can ensure that you do not buy products which you do not need and get the maximum discounts and get the benefit on the Prime Day. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope this helps you as well. Thank you for watching.